Hello, virtual campers. This is Brittany, and today we are filming from my home in Chesterfield, Virginia. This week, we are working with seeds and exploring gardening. That's right, we are becoming farmers in our own home. All right, for our project today, what you will need is some dirt, gardening tools, some pots to put the dirt in. You need something that you can label what you're planting. If you don't have plant labels, you could just use paper or label the pot. And then finally, of course, you will need some seeds, okay? It is very important that you provide your plants with the appropriate amount of sunlight and water once you are done planting your seeds, okay? I've gone ahead and already planted some cilantro, some parsley, and some thyme. All right, go ahead and put some dirt into your pot. Once you have put some dirt into your pot, you can go ahead and make a little hole in the dirt for you to place your seeds. I am making about 4 little holes so I can really get some growth going here. Sometimes the seeds can be really small and they're tricky, so get some big seeds. To put a few seeds into each hole, you don't want to overcrowd it, okay? And make sure you get seeds that are not too small and easier to manipulate. Okay? Once you have put the seeds into finger-sized holes, you then have to cover them up with dirt. Do not pack the dirt so tight because you want the seeds to be able to come up through the dirt. So make sure you leave it just a little loose so that the seeds can come up through. And the same thing for the bottom. You don't want to pack it so tight at the bottom that like roots can't grow, because eventually we're going to have to repot these into bigger pots because the roots are going to grow. Then you stick in the label and that's it. You're done. Now let's review. What's needed for you to plant some seeds? You need soil, gardening tools, seeds, and a pot. Be sure to provide your plant with extra sunlight and extra water. See you soon.